My friends, I was so tired of dry hair, breaking and slow growing. So I decided to make a powerful homemade hairspray using rice water, potato water and aloe vera and more. I started using it on my hair and my daughter's hair, and the hair softness, shining, growing shocked me. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make it and how to apply it. I will definitely going to tell you guys each ingredient benefit. So let's get to the video. My queens, right now I wash my rice and put into my pot, and I wash my potato and start to peel it. So let's continue the work, and definitely I will tell you guys each ingredient benefit and how you can apply it, because I'm going to apply it to my daughter for you guys to see if you're also going to use it. Okay, my queens, after I add my potato, I allow it to cook like 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I take the juice. Please do not overcook yours, okay? So now I put the rice and potato aside, and the next thing I'm going to add my aloe vera juice into my rice and the potato water. So let's continue. So after my aloe vera juice, I added my 1/2 tablespoon of honey inside. Please, my potato and the rice, after cooking it, don't throw it away. Come back to my channel, you'll see the potato and the rice hair mask, so that you can learn that one also. After you take your juice, you can use it as a hair mask for yourself, okay? Do not throw it away. I will definitely going to apply it to my daughter and tell you the ingredient, the benefit of each ingredient. So do not go away, and how you can apply it to get the maximum result. After you put it inside, pour it inside your spray bottle and keep it inside your refrigerator. For me, I always do it this way for it to relax me at least 5 to 6 days or at least 1 week, so that I make another one again. So now I'm going to use it to apply to my daughter, so that my daughter even starts doing it. So you guys will see how you can do it. Please, if you make it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, you love natural hair, you love what I'm doing, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. Your support means a lot for me. This channel, what I'm doing is how you can do to grow your natural hair and your children hair. Adults and children, both of us can use the same thing, especially a mother. You cannot prepare something for your child and getting up to prepare something else for yourself again. So I always make sure that to use something that I and my daughter, both of us can use it together. So now when you do, you need to spray it into your scalp, massaging it, and not only your scalp and your hair also, okay? It's very, very important. So let's check and see the rice benefit. Let's talk about rice water. Rice water is rich in amino acid. It's having vitamin B and vitamin E and antioxidant, okay, and minerals that is having. Rice water, it's also helping to stimulate weak hair and reduce hair breaking. It's improving hair shining and making hair smooth and supporting healthy hair growing. Many people love rice water because it is making their hair feeling soft and strong over time. So let's talk about potato. Potato water is also helping to nourish the scalp and supporting healthy hair follicles and reducing dryness. It's also improving hair texture while you are using potato. It's adding natural shining. It is also great for dull looking hair. Because potato water, it's also helping to bring hair back to alive. If your head is it's not heading, it will bring it back to alive. Let's check and see aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of my favorite ingredients. Aloe vera is contain vitamins A, C and E and folic acid, asthma and amino acid. Aloe vera, when you are using it for your hair, aloe vera is moisturizing dry hair, is smoothing irritation scalp, is reducing dandruff, it's helping the hair start hydrate, and also it's supporting healthy looking hair. It's also making making your hair feel it. Please mind you people, before your hair feel it, always try to add your leave-in conditioner and your butter while you using the spray. Don't use only the spray and leave your hair like that. Thank you. Please, if before we continue, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, if you love natural things, please consider to subscribe, like and share for me. This channel, what I'm doing how we can do to grow our hair and maintain our children hair also. And also, if you have dark spot, acne, you want to look brighten, you want tight skin, so that type of things that I'm doing in this channel, you have to know that the things that this type of thing that you will see me posting while you subscribe. My daughter told me that she wants to go and use washroom, so my people, I think I have to leave it here and allow her go, so that we'll continue the thing maybe in another video. But let's see whether we can talk about honey before we say bye bye in the camera. So honey also is locking moisture into your hair. It's also reducing dryness. It's making hair soft and supporting shining. It's going to improve the shining to your hair. It's also reducing frizziness. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share for us. We really appreciate you all. Bye bye. My people, consistency is the key when it's come for natural things. Consistency.